2017 Tibetans Got Talent winner goes to Mr. Tibetan Mikma from Sikkim and Tokyo Pizza from Darjeeling. Make some noise!
This is Tenzin Mikmar. He is 27 years old and is already a young achiever. Tenzin Mikmar was the winner of Tibet Got Talent in 2017. And now he is taking giant strides into setting the Upside Down Dance Studio in Dharamshala.
Marangi dance studio di chen di zolo kaina marando shela sheshabdola go yumi dizola ni konzola ta encourage ya da tebeji do nanglola pesharan san mu lobjonan chinya mu la ire ani mise kya re de do samlo di gyo dang gore samlo do kajina na so midi so khala dewa ena ondila do ena ni mise di yabu happiness do le re samlo do dima se dance le de ani khala Tibetan le kecham re samlo do paint ho re samlo do teni ta ma so pebi ji do nanglo la ta Tibetan ga ji da Tibetan traditional culture la mi doga da de do mangbo ji yore ani ta de ga ji dance time in ye me de zula ni saja do mara che ani odi sine ani marangi di dance la la ko chue mi yo odi na re.
His dance studio has brought him attention as a young emerging entrepreneur.
Tenjuli ngi tani yadon songle zambe tsimbe gi le chawo mundu ki sin jongdar nanglo la tenben chunga songle ba tenzi mingma ni ta khona songle guzu shwedi ngajo dire no chik upside down dance studios ngajo dende chi songle guzu shwedi shigula khona tenbe chunga and kab du khona songle tenben chunga ti nyadon chobge na che ta songle guzu shwedi to mo ngi tunjur mo hingo bumsum sumte do gore di hingo di ani bumsum di chang khwan so songle gi chashi 십사고 수교도 마 덴베 슈체 덴베 슈사베 제라 안 디시샤체 콘 총leg이 그것이 송 믹스에 수치 믹스에 두빔신 아니 먼저 무고도 마 땅에 좀 남겨들 타기
So far, over 30 students from the region have benefited from his initiative.
Marando chasha when the studio dinala studio gotsu ne chine ne jushu shigyo lobu shin ngaran de la studio na jushu shigo gyungjen zo de kharisha de na da chungdu ne she thal go yo ani ne da chungdu ne she thal de ni she la ya su gu youtube ma de ji mixi gi she ga la ya she jen yunde de gam me sonza anta su gi she thai gi zel de yarge tang wo de ni tang sa ji ya go de ni upside down de pe ju na ten tang mo de ko ya go shtong sura 카인스나 더 수수거지 젤 나오네 셰타동 라도 니 댄스 나오라 이제도 무슨 댄스 폼 망고요래 아 수수거지 폼데 가림바디 하고고야래 저 람nye 야고 싶다 장사 야고 싶고 근데 한 upside down 데 배버지서 나오는데 팅 당모에 빼야고
I had being a very stiff dancer in the beginning. Now I find myself very free flowing and I enjoy this space and I love dancing now. It's a good journey overall, and Tenzin and Surya, they're very amazing with the dance, the moves they have got, they're killer ones, and yeah, these guys are amazing and I love time spending with them at the class sessions, and these guys are just amazing.
The Upside Down Dance Studio is currently conducting classes on different dance forms like Zumba, lyrical, b-boying, Bollywood, and even have special classes for kids. Tibetans in exile have taken several measures to preserve their cultural heritage. At the same time, the new generation is also welcoming modern ways of artistic expression. Lobsang Jigme, Tibettv.